Hey, it's your boy Terrell. Welcome to my channel, Fresh Sentiments. I'm really excited about this one today because it's my very first unboxing of 2021. It comes from the house of Caroline Herrera and it's Yo, stay tuned, y'all. Alright, y'all, so today we're going to find out if little Miss Caroline Herrera Bad Boy is really a bad boy or just some good boy in Bad Boy's clothing. And who's better to decide that than the bad boy himself? I just played. I got this in high school, y'all. I'm no longer a bad boy. If this is the police, I am a good boy now, okay? Good boy. So Bad Boy came out in 2019 and is considered to be an Oriental spicy. I want to get this bad boy open and see what it smells like. Alright, here's the box presentation. You see it has the little theme here on the bottom. So good. It's so good to be bad. Okay, Caroline Herrera. You have the CH logo here on the top. Very classic, very nice. And on the bottom here you have the ingredients, the barcode, the scanner, all that stuff that makes it official. It's pretty cool. I actually like the black. It has like a velvet type of feel. I like the black with the gold trim. That's actually, when I think of Bad Boy, I would think of something like that. Oh yeah, and I heard about the sprayer. So here's a little details that tells you how to use the sprayer, because I have heard it's kind of tricky. Let's check this thing out. Wow. Check that out, you guys. Straight lightning bolt. Bam! Bam, bam! Okay, Caroline Herrera, you got the CH here, right in the front, logo. Very cool. You got Caroline Herrera on the bottom, New York. Also cool. This is like a metal type of feel. And on the bottom here it says Bad Boy Toilet. It lets you know I got the 3.4 ounce right there. Okay. All right, Caroline Herrera. And this is kind of, not plasticky. This is plasticky. This is metal. This is actually, I think it's a kind of cool bottle. I mean, I can see how somebody can think it's corny, but it actually fits. Caroline Herrera made a sister version of this called Good Girl. I think it came out in 2016. So this actually fits that whole little motif. It was like a high heel. So imagine walking through a department store, you see a high heel, you're like, what? Let me smell that. That looks cool. That looks interesting. It kind of reminds me of a Christmas Story. You remember the heel with in the movie Christmas Story with the lamp? Something like that? But that was a high heel. This is cool, man. I actually dig the bottle. Kudos to Caroline Herrera for being unique with that. I'm digging that. Let's check out this sprayer. Wow. Now that's a powerful sprayer. Sometimes you get these colognes that don't have powerful sprayers and it's hard to kind of get the liquid out. I actually like the sprayer. And actually, that's kind of what I do. When I first get a cologne, I like to spray it to give it some air. I don't like to put it first spray on my skin. I like to spray it in the air or spray it on the paper. So that's a really, really good sprayer, you guys. Let's check out these notes. So it says here the notes are top notes, white pepper, black pepper, and bergamot. Middle notes are sage and cedar. Base notes are tonka bean, cacao, and amberwood. All right, let's see what I get on my skin. I'm loving that sprayer, y'all. Okay. Okay, I can smell it in there. This is definitely a sweet fragrance. Woo! Yeah, man. This is a sweet fragrance. This is a sweet bomb. Wow. Yeah. So off the top, I get the tonka bean and the bergamot. And when I say top, to the average person, when you go to a store and you're thinking about purchasing a fragrance, you get the top note, which is what you'll smell on the fragrance for the first hour or two. If it's a good fragrance, It'll develop over time. So you have top notes, which will hit you the first 1 or 2 hours. You have the middle notes, which should come after the 2 hours. And you have base notes, which is the duration of the fragrance, which is what most people enjoy because that's what's going to be on your skin for most of the day. Ooh. Yeah, I don't get the white pepper or the black pepper on my skin chemistry, but I definitely, I get that bergamot and that tonka bean. Actually, I'm getting the cacao too. Let me see. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. Amberwood? Nope, not yet. This is actually really good. I got fragrances kind of like this. It smells a little bit to me. A little bit, not a lot, but it smells like Armani Absolute. Yeah, it smells like that. A little bit like Stronger With You. I've heard people say it smells like Paco Rabanne 1 Million, but I don't get that. I get the comparison of Invictus though. 2016 Invictus. This, you guys, is a very, very sweet fragrance. If you are not into sweet fragrances, stay far away from this cologne. But if you're into sweet fragrances, this could be right up your alley. This is definitely a crowd pleaser. This is definitely one of those designer fragrances that they've been making lately with the tonka bean heavy and bergamot. I just wish on my skin I would get the sage or the cedar. Yeah, I'm getting a cacao now. Ooh, and it's nice. This is perfect for a date night. This is perfect for a date night. If you spray a lot of this, you can actually take this to the club. This would be a sweet bomb. Anybody you walk by, give a hug to, whoop, whoop, yeah, they're gonna smell this on you. I would put this right, 2 sprays, 1 here, 1 here, 1 in the back, 2 over here. Did that make sense? Did I count that wrong? I know I graduated from high school. 2 on this side, 2 on this side, 1 in the back. Oh, you'll be good. Yeah, ooh. You know, like a sweet, not ultra malt, it's not ultra malt, but it smells like Acqua di Gio Absolute. I wouldn't wear this in the daytime. I wouldn't wear this in the office. I would strictly wear this at nighttime or on a date or go to the club. Yeah. I'm actually not mad at Carolina. I'm not mad at this release. This is actually really, really good. To the average person, you will love this fragrance. If you just want a nice, sweet, smell good fragrance, yeah, man. This is that. This is one of those designer releases that's crowd pleasing. It's not unique. It's not the best fragrance in the world, but it's pleasant and it's very sexy and it's very alluring. Yeah, the more I smell it, you guys, if you're a fan of tonka bean, bergamot, cacao, you are going to be into this. Yeah, but it's only for the cold weather, in my opinion. You can wear fragrances whenever you like, but I would definitely recommend this for winter, fall, spring, maybe at nighttime, but definitely the winter and the fall. You guys, if you're looking for a new addition to add to your collection, the bottle alone is pretty cool. I would put this on my shelf and just kind of trip out on it. Yeah, this is a sweet date night or spray heavy. This could be a club fragrance, you guys. I would definitely give this probably a 7 out of 5. I mean, a 7.5 or 8. 7.5 or 8 out of 10. Definitely for this fragrance. This is definitely a sweet, crowd-pleasing fragrance. I'm not mad at them. They actually did pretty good on this one. Have you tried this fragrance yet? Or do you even like sweet fragrances? If you like sweet fragrances, tell me what you think about this one as soon as you get your sniffs on it. You can actually see, wow, you can actually see the juice inside here too, you guys. You know, some fragrances you can't actually see the juice in there, but you can actually see the juice in here. I think this presentation is really cool. And the fragrance isn't drop dead out of this world, but it's good. Yeah. So once you get your hand on this, please let me know what you think about this. Was it too sweet or is it just right? Let me know in the comments below. But for now, just definitely get the 7.58 from your boy Fresh Scentiments, you guys. If you're thinking about getting this fragrance, it'll be about $96 at retailers, or you can pick it up at discounters for $65 to $70. Either way, I think it's a solid purchase to add to your collections. So that's it. That's my unboxing review on Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy from your boy, Fresh Sentiments. Let's make some memories, y'all. Peace.